Sage 200 has just had its first update of 2025. In this video, we're going to go through some of the biggest changes that were included. This update included a lot of new elements, and we're not going to be covering every single part of it in this video. If you would like to learn more about the update, please use the links in the description. While there were some smaller changes specific to Sage 200 Standard or Sage 200 Professional, the meat of the update is in the changes that apply to both systems, so those are the ones we'll be focusing on. You can now create an alert pop-up when entering a stock item into a credit note or sales order. You can create alerts that notify users about requirements for shipping items, or notifications that items need to be checked by various departments. This feature is very flexible and could be useful to Sage users in almost every vertical. You can now keep a record of communications with suppliers and customers in Sales Ledger accounts. You can then refer back to these messages and see what has been discussed in the past, and see how that affects projects and stock in the future. The stock list now has a country of origin field added, so that you can better track where stock originally comes from. This is a very useful feature as many international orders now have to include country of origin in their reporting. So that is just some of the new features that were included in the 2025 R1 release. However, there is already suggestions of what could be included in the R2 release. So this would include things like new web screens for the commercials module, the creation of read-only users, and updates to the nominal journal. However, these are only suggestions at the moment. When the R2 update is released, we will go into more detail about everything that was included. The Sage 200 2025 R1 release includes lots of new features that are very beneficial to both the Sage 200 Standard and Sage 200 Professional systems. Today we have only covered some of the new updates that were included. To find out more about the R1 update or Sage 200 in general, please use the links in the description. Or you can get in touch with our Sage experts directly. You can email us at inquiries@solutionscloud.uk or call us on 0115 840 5075.